In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give feedback on Wrike videos using the simple step-by-step process for 2025. This is a great way to streamline communication and ensure your team's video projects are as polished and effective as possible. Whether you're new to using Wrike or simply want to make your feedback more impactful, this guide has you covered. First things first, head over to Wrike. If you already have a Wrike account, log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at your workspace, which is where all the magic happens. This is also where you can access all the projects and files that your team is currently working on. It's pretty intuitive, but make yourself familiar with the layout if this is your first time using it. Once you're in Wrike, you're going to want to open the video file you want to provide feedback on. Depending on how your team has organized files, this could be in a specific folder or project space. Ensure you found the correct file by double-checking the title or description. Click to open the video file, and ensure it loads fully so you can view it properly. Then it's time to start adding your feedback. As you watch the video, consider the points where you think improvements or changes are necessary. Maybe you notice the brightness looks a little off, or there's a scene that seems a bit too long. When you're ready to make a suggestion, simply type your comment or suggestion into the feedback section. For instance, you could say, adjust brightness here, or cut this scene shorter. This context is important as it ensures the team understands your thought process and provides clear directions for necessary changes. Once you've composed your feedback, the next step is to click on Send, or simply press Enter to submit it. This will upload your comments into the workspace for your team to see and respond to. It's important to remember that clarity in your feedback can significantly impact how effectively your suggestions are implemented. So take your time to be clear and concise. A great feature of Wrike is the ability for team members to reply directly to your comments. This opens up a dialogue where they can ask for more details or clarification if needed. When a team member addresses your feedback and makes the necessary changes, you can click Resolve on the comment. This action marks your feedback as complete, helping keep the workspace clean and organized. This structured approach not only enhances team collaboration, but also enables a smooth project flow. So there you have it, a streamlined method to give effective feedback on Wrike videos, ensuring your projects move in the right direction with every comment. Happy collaborating!